Yeah. Quick shit. You know what I'm saying? Some new shit for y'all niggas right quick. Yeah.
Sycamore.
Yo, keep playing with my name, you gon' feel that. Peel caps like bananas and you don't wanna feel that. ARs, stay armed, never with a crib at. Guns raise hell like seance and you don't wanna hear that. You the type of nigga freeze up when you see gas. We them type of niggas D's up, but you don't see gas. Demanded to the streets is me, bruh. A&T back. Rizzle still here, you got a trip for you to see that. See that? He back, similar to East Pack. Couple Asian bitches in my lap, I'm trying to hit that. Extract the L from out my pocket, then I lit that. Get back, the hell up off my block or get your shit cracked. This, that, the third nigga, please don't put me in that. Cause I'm just trying to be a role model for the chillin'. Grown man gots to keep it fresh for the women. Pink sleeves and collar babes killing them, chillin'. Man, since I stomped in the heights, my words stay the same. Wanna Destiny's Children, how I make bitches say my name. Peep my game, look at the way I play my game. Stay with flame, marijuana and bars stay the same. I'm from the city of the Oaks, Remy fuck the coke. Give me Ashton Martins on image, make it spokes. Parmesan in the cup in the bitch for me to poke. Magnum double XL in the split for me to smoke. You see me goobies the sneaks, all black, fall black. I'm under 21 and worth an island, what you call that? Priceless, on the same level of cool as ice is. Niggas out here hot, but ain't none the boy of as nice as. 5 times these niggas with deals, they don't want money. Was this shit a party when you was broke? Was that funny? Money make a nigga trip, make him act funny. Show super that bitch nigga face for him to slap for me. My top notch niggas will clap for me. You gon' think you got a standing ovation the way pistols will clap, homie. The nigga back with one reason to seize the day. Kamaru Lachey, a touchy subject, just get out my way, nigga. I change up more than Roger Clemens. I came back like boomerangs, but I ain't robbing givens. And I've been holding myself down like foster children. I ain't false claiming a thing, bitch, I'm all authentic. Get it real, the name niggas screaming you shook, but that's what niggas get for running around screaming they crooks. Look, nothing to lose, all I fuck with is hooks. Street smart, I got knowledge, but I don't fuck with no books. Yeah, I don't like it unless it's brand new. Damn dude, get my name in your head for life, nigga, brand you. When it come to snatching bitches, real the man who got them all black, white, yellow, pink, tan too. Tattoos from the shoulders to the hand, boo. Damn, I got power, my words stronger than bamboo. Tattoos from the shoulders to the hand, ooh. Said that once before, once again, so you understand, dude.